These are some of the irregular migrants from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia who have just arrived at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, after they were deported from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for not having legal documents. This viral video posted online by one of the Nigerians stuck in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was what caught the attention of the Nigerian government to their plights. In keeping to its promise to evacuate 802 of the returnees, 384 have now arrived, conveyed by Saudi Arabian Air. One after the other, they make their way into the arch terminal at the airport, where they were first subjected to temperature check before being ushered in. Some are, however, in bad health condition and have to be supported. This returnee narrates his ordeal in the Middle East country, where, according to him, they were subjected to inhuman treatment.
Ba a kula da lafiyarsu, ga farkwata, ba ka samun isasshen abinci, grasa ce kwaya biyu ake biya mutum.
I want to welcome our returnees from Saudi Arabia.
At hand to receive the returnees are officials from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Federal Task Force on COVID-19 and other agencies of government who take turns to address them. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs is particularly worried about youths desperate to go abroad.
We do not support irregular migration. It is risky and there is no point for it. And so if there are people who probably have engaged in this, please desist from it.
The second batch of returnees are expected on Friday, 29th January 2021. The returnees, according to authorities, will be quarantined for 10 days, after which, if they do not test positive, they will be integrated into the society. From the arch camp at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, Emperor Simon, Channels Television News.